Hi guys, my name is Kaetlyn. I work at Williams Subaru. Today we're going to be showing you guys a little how-to on installing the crossbars. Line them up so both sides are flush with the roof rails. And then align the bottom piece and then start to screw in. You start with your fingers, and then once it gets close enough you can use the tool that comes with the crossbars. Make sure they're nice and tight. And then once you're done with this side, you'll just do the same on the other. To take off the crossbars, use the tool that comes with them. There's a screw on each side. You're just going to unscrew each screw. It's starting to loosen the bottom now. You can see that this part is coming off. And once that piece is loosened enough, you can just lift them right up. There we go. Thanks for staying tuned. If you guys have any other questions, you can either stop into sales or service.